Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I recently made some purchases like Hermes herbag and Everlane's rain boots. They're new and I haven't got a chance to share with you guys on my YouTube channel. So I thought I'd just make this video to share my recent shoe purchases, beauty purchases, and just some random stuff from here and there. Yeah, so let's just get started. Everlane rain boots. San Francisco has been raining a lot lately, and you guys know how much I love Everlane's shoes. They're always great quality and they know for their transparency, and the rubber feels really great quality. And I'm wearing size 6 and this pair is in size 6. It's true to size. It also comes in many different other colors. I think like 5 different colors, like pink, white, black, and then there's another green color. I picked this color because I think this color is so fun to style with, and I can totally see myself wearing jeans with it. By the way, I just want to mention that also this pair, the price is $75, which I mean compared to hunter boots, it's so much more affordable and it's great quality. So if you follow me on my Instagram, I'll show you guys how I am gonna style this piece with many different outfits. Before I show you guys the second pair, I want to show you guys another Everlane boots that I have been wearing since this entire winter. You probably are sick of this pair if you follow me on Instagram because I wear it a lot. And you can see the creases here. This is the Everlane Boss booty. I really like the pointy toe. It looks so cool, so chic, and very modern look. They're true to size as well. Great quality for sure. That's why I bought my other pair of boots, and I think the Boss boots is probably the most worn boots of the entire winter. And this pair is I think it's called the day boots. The toe is not pointy because I kind of wanted some different style, and this color is very easy to go with any outfit. I took this stuffing out so that I can show you guys how soft this leather is. Oh my god, it's so soft and it's really comfortable. Just if you like me have the day heel, you know how comfortable they are. Yeah, so this pair also highly recommend. So next, move on to a pair of sneakers. So I had this Adidas Ultra Boost for a while, and it's the most supported sneakers that I've ever had. Maybe a lot of you guys already have it, but if you're looking for a pair of running shoes or training shoes, this one has the best support. So I also have the Adidas for Stella McCartney, but I can tell like the Stella McCartney one, it's just not as good quality, and I have so many problems with them, but not the Adidas one. So I think this pair is so good, and I stopped wearing all my other sneakers, so I can't really keep running on this one pair. So I just bought the same pair in a different color. They're so trendy and it looks so good, and I can wear them to the gym, and I wear them going out as well if I feel a little casual. Ultra Boost is true to size for me, and I'm also wearing size 6, 36. Yeah, really like this pair of sneaker. Highly recommend if you are looking for a pair that has the best support for your feet. Yeah, they're the best. Another pair of shoes. This pair you probably have seen a lot on my Instagram, and they're Blass woven mules. I really like the woven texture. It makes this pair of mules has really modern look and really great quality. It's very comfortable to walk in. It's just that this pair runs a little bit small. If you are size 6 or size 6.5, I recommend you guys go for size 7. I ordered size 7. Yeah, it fits perfectly for me. It's very comfortable, easy to walk in. Let's move on the beauty purchases from Chanel. And this is their hand cream. Maybe a lot of you guys already have it. This is how you use it. And then you like squeeze, and then you will squeeze out some. It smells really good. It's also so pretty. I just like to put it in my bag. Yep. And then the next purchase is the lipstick I'm currently wearing right now. It's called liquid powder. How you do it is you squeeze the top out and then you apply it. It's supposed to be a matte finish. Yeah, it's very pretty red color. I'll leave the color down below if you guys are interested. The other one is just another Chanel lipstick. You can press this thing in or just leave it out and then pop it out. Yeah, it's a red color, but it's not like a true or deep dark red. I like this color, something different. Yeah. If possible, I would like to have every single color of the Chanel lipsticks. Alright, so next, let's move on to Hermes purchases. So the first one is a pair of earrings. I don't know if it can focus. Yeah, so this is called the Pop H. And it comes in many different colors. I picked up the color as white and gold. You can see the side is a loop. I wore it already. It's very eye-catching because the white color and the gold. Yeah, it's very pretty. And also, I mean, costume jewelry, like fashion jewelry, are more affordable in Hermes. Yeah. The next item is is a very plain coin purse. This is how you open it. It said Hermes. I think before I bought these things, when I saw people unboxing them online, I never feel these small leather goods are so attractive until you have one, so that you know how good the leather is. I think this one is Epsom leather and in color Ito, and I wouldn't mind getting more small leather goods from Hermes. It just feels so nice and they're so cute to put it inside of your handbag. So the next item is I bought the tie for my husband, and it's just H. I think guys can always have more ties, and also thanks to my husband, so that this way I can build up my spending record in Hermes, and I don't mind getting more items for my husband in Hermes, something that he can use. So the last item, it comes with a lock and a key. I really lock it. I have used it a lot lately because they are still new, so I'm in a honeymoon period of time with this bag. Yeah, so this is the her bag in color Ito and the indigo blue. You probably can't really tell it's blue, right? It looks more black to you. Yeah, so before I bought this bag, I already know that the problem with this bag is that it's a little bit hard to open. I'll show you guys. So like you put these two straps and you have to open the top, and then you can open the bag. So a lot of times it's not that convenient. So what you can do is, I don't mind it. It doesn't bother me at all. So a lot of times you can do is you simply don't close it and then leave the strap out, and then you just put your wallet here or something, and then you can easily grab your wallet or key, something like that. Then you can put your lock here and then put the key here in the front. Yeah, I just rarely use them. I mainly just like to carry it like this, and they're my work bag, and because they're dark colors, I don't feel bad at all to put them on the floor or just toss around and really enjoy it. I don't baby it at all. I think it's a great purchase. Yeah, I like it a lot, at least for now. It reminds me a lot of Cali. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and see you guys soon. Bye bye.